Hi, I'm Justin Keay, Field Specialist in Horticulture with MU Extension. This is one of a series of videos on getting started with market gardening. Today, we're going to talk about inventorying your resources as it relates to site selection. If you're thinking of getting involved in market gardening, it's important to inventory your resources overall. Your resources include your site, soil, climate, people, capital, as well as facilities and equipment. Just like with any business, it's all about location, location, location. Location could include access to populations and markets to sell your crop. But we're going to talk today about location as it relates to crop suitability indexes. The Missouri Ag Intel tool is a powerful web-based tool that can provide you a lot of information if you're thinking about getting involved in market gardening or other agricultural enterprises. The tool can help you understand the suitability of your land, the local market opportunities, how your expertise and financial position play into your business, as well as your available agronomic and machinery resources. The crop suitability maps provide general as well as detailed info about crop suitability for a given geographic area. These suitability indexes are based off of risk related to a variety of different agronomic factors, including soil pH, texture and drainage, precipitation, average and minimum temp, as well as growing days. These suitability maps are available for all of the different specialty crops listed on the right-hand side of this slide. Let's take a look at blueberries. We can start with the map of Missouri. You can see that Missouri ranges in suitability for blueberries from slightly suitable to highly suitable. But let's zoom in a little bit more. Let's take a look at Audrain County. You could do this process for any county in the state of Missouri. If we look at the overall blueberry suitability, most of Audrain County falls in the moderately suitable index. Let's drill a little bit deeper and see what this is all about. One of the factors we can look at is soil pH. And we can tell from this map that Audrain County is almost entirely labeled as unsuitable soil pH for blueberries, with some areas labeled as slightly or moderately suitable. This means that soil pH will need to be modified and maintained to suit blueberries. This could involve pre-plant incorporation of sulfur as well as use of acidifying fertilizers. If we take a look at blueberry suitability in Audrain County as it relates to soil drainage, we'll see that most of the county is labeled slightly suitable, but varies in range from unsuitable to suitable. In most cases, soil drainage will need to be modified to improve suitability for blueberries. This could involve raised plantings, incorporation of peat moss and or sand, and perhaps drainage tile installation in some situations. In regards to soil texture, most of Audrain County is labeled as suitable, with some parts of the county is labeled as moderately suitable down to unsuitable. Audrain County is labeled suitable in regards to precipitation for blueberries. However, irrigation is still necessary for moisture and fertigation management. If we look at suitability in Audrain County for blueberries as it relates to temperature, growing days, and minimum temperature, we can see that they're all highly suitable. If you're looking to plant a crop on your farm or on a piece of land, you need to consider what are the limiting factors of your site for this crop. What are the costs to address these limiting factors, both upfront and ongoing? What kind of equipment is necessary to modify the site for the crop? What kind of labor is necessary? Are there other growers in your area that have experienced these challenges of growing a crop under similar conditions? How will the costs impact the profitability of the crop? Is this the right crop for my site, or is another crop more suitable? The Missouri Ag Intel tool is capable of providing a lot of information. In addition to the crop suitability maps, there's a food market evaluation tool, there's a tool to help you assess your management capabilities, an alternative agriculture resource guide, as well as the What Should I Grow tool. I encourage you to check out this website. We'll include a link to this website in the description of this YouTube video. Please reach out if you have additional questions.